Welcome to America's Got Talent. What is your name, young lady?
What is your act?
The stage is yours.
This is ground control to Major Tom. You've really made the grade. And the papers want to know whose shirt you wear. Now it's time to leave the capsule if you dare. This is Major Tom to ground control. I'm stepping through the door.